Home Depot. Big shout out to Stan the Man. He did do a comment on one of my videos. Somehow his comment got deleted, and I don't know what happened with his comment, but I managed to see it. So big shout out to Stan the Man for commenting or letting us know about this. Yeah, we got some ceiling fans sold at Home Depot recalled because the blades might spin off. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Let's see here. It says it says December 29 at 7:26 a.m. We got more than 190,000 ceiling fans sold by Home Depot are being recalled because of the blade spin-off while in use, possibly injuring those nearby. It says Hampton Bay 54-inch Mara indoor. Outdoor fans were sold in stores online from April through October of this year. About $150 to the recall notice. Posted U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. About 182,000 of the fans were sold in the U.S. and other 8,800 were sold in Canada. It says King of the Fans, the Florida-based distributor of the product sold exclusively at Home Depot, said received 47 reports of the product blades detaching with at least 2 consumers hit by a blade. Oh my god, yeah. And instances of property damage. So you're getting people getting their heads cut off, I guess, with these blades, man. It's not, I always had a something that nightmares of the fan or whatever's on top of me falling and hitting me, but not I always had those thoughts. Obviously the ceiling fan falling on me and stuff like that. So you got Hampton Bay 54-inch Mara ceiling fan, U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission recalled fans in the 3 finishes: matte white, and then you got the UPC number, matte black, black polished nickel. Alright, you got consumers have argued stop using the fans immediately to check them signs of defects and notice blade movement uneven. Gaps between blades and fan body during inspection should contact King of Fans for free replacement. Trouble does not impact all China-made Mara 54-inch, according to the company, which offered a link to our YouTube videos showing consumers how determined fan is defective and needs to be replaced. Consumer contacting. So I guess everybody has their own their own recalls. Even companies like Home Depot and this company, obviously, that's been doing ceiling fans for a long time. I do have a few ceiling fans from them, and obviously not this one, but I always had excellent excellent experiences with my ceiling fans. So anyways, just thought I want to share this out there. Big shout out to Stan the Man for helping us out. And don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.